Hi Capricorn, welcome to Falcon Tarot. This is a weekly reading starting 28th of November. How we'll go about with the video is the top row is for you, the bottom row is for your person, but feel free to switch if you like. However, for me the top row is always for the sign I do the video for. Now let's quickly jump in and see what this particular week has in store for all of you. The first card that I see for you is Queen of Pentacles, the Strength card, and the Knight of Pentacles. Person B here has Ace of Cups, Justice card, and the Six of Pentacles. Bottom of the deck I have High Priestess, who's the keeper of the secrets, and also this is a major arcana card. With the High Priestess, it means that there could be some kind of a secret which is there between the two of you. Now from the first set of cards, I see you have Queen of Pentacles, which means that you are doing really well for yourself. Okay, you may be enjoying all the luxuries of life also because your financials are really good and you are doing really good in your business or maybe your career. The second card for you is the Strength card, which talks about courage and bravery. So you will have to put in a lot of courage and bravery to deal with a particular situation. The third card is Knight of Pentacles, which means that you may be walking very slow. You may be walking so slow that the other person will feel as if you're not at all interested. Now for person B, the first card is Ace of Cups, which means they're looking for a new beginning, and that's based on love and affection. The second card I see is Justice card. Now for some of you, Justice card means that if there is some kind of a legal court case that you are involved with or this person is involved in, they will get victory in that situation. So the verdict will come out in their favor. And for the others, it means that if there was some kind of injustice that this person faced, then they will get justice in this situation. The third card that I see here is Six of Cups. Six of Cups is a card where, this person, whenever they are alone, they sit and they reflect back and they try to think of those sweet memories both of you had, and they also try to think if there is a possibility to rekindle this relationship, just in case if there is a temporary breakup that has happened between the two of you. Now with this, let's also quickly go ahead and see what is the intention of this person. So the first card that I see here is Four of Swords, Ace of Cups, and the Three of Pentacles. Four of Swords is the energy where you want to withdraw or at least step back and take a small break and think through the entire situation before you go ahead and take the next course of action. The second card is Ace of Cups, which talks about a new beginning, and that is based on emotions. The third card is Three of Pentacles, which in some cases talks about a third party energy. Now this could be a lover, this could also be anybody who is somehow interfering in this relationship. Now with this, let's quickly see what is the message we have from the Moonology Oracle decks for all of you. So the message that I see here is, don't let your past hold you back. So if there is something which happened in the past, maybe between the two of you or it's your own individual experience, don't let that thing block you from moving ahead in life. Now with this, let's also quickly go ahead and see what is the message that we have from archangels, and if there is a crystal that can help you in this situation. So the crystal that I see for you is Morganite. The crystal message is, are you ready to attract the best of everything? Do you believe that the best is yet to come? Make a clear decision to manifest the good in this moment. Don't wait until tomorrow. You are being called to experience spiritual living in every day. See all that is around you and love it as if this is your last day on planet Earth. Now with this, there is also a message here from Archangel Uriel, which I'll put in the description box and you can read it from there. That's all that I see for you for this particular video. If you like the content, please like, share, subscribe, hit that bell notification. Until the next video, stay safe, love yourself first.